Oh, hi, Simon. I was just about to do an experiment. I wonder if you'd like to watch. This is an experiment that was first done by an ancient Greek called Democritus. And he lived about 400 years before Christ, 400 BC, back in the day. Bald head, wore a bedsheet, didn't have much equipment. But he did have a knife and a bit of cheese. So we did this experiment. I wonder if you'd like to watch me do it. So we got a piece of cheese, cut it in half. What have we got? 2 half pieces of cheese. Okay, I'll have that one. Very nice. And then he got the other piece of cheese, and he cut that in half. Wonder if you can see where this is going. Don't mind if I do. And then he gets that piece, and so on, and so on. Now, the pieces of cheese are getting a bit small. In the end, my knife, and it's quite a sharp kitchen knife, but it's not the greatest one, it's not going to be able to cut those pieces of cheese. And that's what Democritus found. He got down to a very small piece of cheese. He didn't have proper scientific equipment. I've got a scalpel. I can go smaller. I can get down to very small pieces of cheese. I can get down to very tiny pieces of cheese indeed. Maybe I can cut that in half, not sure. Anyway, the point of the experiment, doesn't really matter what kind of knife you got. You could imagine a very, very sharp knife that would be able to cut cheese down to tiny sizes. And what Democritus said was, I think that in the end, you're not going to be able to cut the last piece, the very tiniest one. I don't think you can cut that. I call that atomos. The smallest particle of cheese is called atomos, an atom. You could try this experiment at home. If you haven't got cheese, you could just do it with a piece of paper and some scissors. I'll show you how it goes. Cut the piece off. Here's the test. If an adult can see it, and adults don't have very good eyesight, remember, compared with your kids. If an adult can see it, it's too big. So you need to cut that piece of paper down over and over again until you've got a piece which is atomos, which can't be cut. Now, of course, that piece isn't really the size of an atom. That piece is the size of millions upon billions of atoms. But you could imagine if you had some amazing scissors, laser scissors, you could get right down to a very small piece. Even that piece probably made of millions of atoms. In a lab, you can get down to very small sizes, and we can actually, in the end, isolate single atoms in a very smart nuclear physics lab, which is not my kitchen. Off you go then. Give it a try. Try for yourself.